we aware how many elements are known till then? As different elements are being discovered by scientists with more and more information, the periodic table of chemical elements is a tabular display of elements in which the elements are based according to their atomic number, electronic configuration, and reoccurring chemical properties. Now, going to the objectives of the periodic table. When we talk about the objectives of the periodic table, it has helped us to identify the elements on the periodic table on 18 vertical columns called groups and 7 horizontal rows called periods. Going to the importance of periodic table. The International Year of Periodic Table give importance to the periodic table to be one of the most significant achievements in science that not only deals with chemistry but also in physics, biology, and other basic science, application and importance. The periodic table of chemical elements has found wide application in geology, material science, engineering, agriculture, medicine, nutrition, and especially helps the human in the study of chemical engineering. There are lots of applications that are uncountable. Going to the history of periodic table perspective, the earliest attempt to classify the elements made an order out of chaos. These are some of the scientists who have greatly contributed to the development of the periodic table. The first one, Antoine Lavoisier, he was a scientist who first developed an idea of periodic table. He identified the first 33 elements on the periodic table, but later some of these elements were found to be compounds and mixtures. Therefore, it was a complete failure. The second one was John Jacob Berzelius. He was a scientist who discovered the letters to symbolize the elements. For example, lithium, Li, boron, B, carbon, C, oxygen, O, nitrogen, N, and many more. The third one, John Wolfgang Wegener. In the year of 1817, he found out that every group of the element had 3 elements each, and therefore he named it as traits. The fourth one, he was John Newland. He was a scientist who found out that every element had properties similar to the first, and therefore he named as octaves and known as Newland's laws of octaves. The fifth one, Mendeleev. He was a scientist who contributed the most in the periodic table. His full name is Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. He is the Russian chemist. The fifth one is William Ramsay. He was a scientist who found out the noble gases which is present in group and chemical elements